All right, well, welcome back to Harris Financial Coaching. I know it's been a minute since I posted a long form video, but I wanted to drop a few tips about what financial coaching is and how it can benefit you. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it, and check out the other videos as well. Don't forget to check out my shorts. You'll be very entertained at what you see there. So here is what a financial coach does and how it can benefit you. Like, subscribe, and share with a friend or two. So just wanted to come over here and explain exactly what a financial coach does and what they don't do. So I've had a conversation with a couple people who have wanted to work with me as their financial coach. And one of the things is they say, can you give me, or can I give you access to my bank account and you tell me what I'm doing wrong or what I'm doing right, where I can save my money. Or the other one is, well, I'll give you access to my accounts. Can you manage it for me and invest it? Well, I'm here to tell you that's not what a financial coach does. I'm not going to log into your bank account and say, this is where you're spending your money. This is where you shouldn't spend it at. This is where you should spend it at. What I do as a financial coach is I talk to you and walk you through and help you understand why you're spending your money the way you're spending it. Identify tools and tactics to help you learn how to budget your money better. Whether or not that's saving money for your retirement or identifying why you spend money impulsively. If you are in a heightened emotional state, we work together in identifying if that's when you spend your money. If you're depressed, is that when you spend the majority of your money? When we work together, we identify what emotions drive you to spend your money, to underspend, overspend, and to not even save your money. Or say you have a 401k and you're going through a stressful financial situation and you have no way out of it. You don't have any money put away in your savings. And you say, Annette, well, I have a 401k. Should I take my money out? Should I get a loan? Should I take a hardship withdrawal? Or should I go to the bank and get a personal loan to get me through this situation? Well, we sit down and we have a conversation to figure out what those other alternatives are and how you can prevent you being in that financial situation in the future. Yes, you're in this dire financial situation now, but how can you overcome it and how can you prevent it, and what steps do you need to take to plan so that you can achieve those goals that you have in 30, 60, 90 days, 1 year from now, 5 years from now with your finances. What I'm not going to do is let me look at your bank account, and like I said, I'm not going to say stop spending money here. I want you to uncover those behaviors. So once that coaching engagement is done and over with, you have that power that inside of yourself that you know how to manage your finances. My goal with you and my potential clients is for you to feel empowered and fulfilled that you have gained everything that you've sought to gain from the coaching relationship. I want my clients to be able to breathe. You want to be able to have those restless nights. And if you aren't unable to understand how to manage your finances, you won't have that opportunity to breathe. You won't have those restless nights because you have a deeper understanding of how to manage your finances. That comes with learning financial literacy tactics when it comes to budgeting, when it comes to saving, when it comes to planning for your goals. So that's the goal of a financial coach, is to help you understand that so that you can be self-sufficient and able to manage your money on your own. If you don't realize that and go through that process, you're going to find yourself in the same dire financial situation that you started in when you engaged in that coaching relationship. It's going to be a continuous cycle that happens over and over again because you don't understand how money moves, how it works, and how to make it work to your advantage. So if you do come into contact with a financial coach and they said, okay, fill out this worksheet, give me your banking information, give me your credit card information, what are your balances, I'll figure out how you can pay this money down so that you can get out of debt and manage your finances in the future. It's not going to teach you. You need to work with that financial coach. You research what your balances are. You research what your interest rates are so that you understand the terms of a credit card agreement, the terms when it comes to a savings account. What's the right savings account for you? What's the right checking account for you? Do you like in-person banking? Do you like online banking? And how do you manage your money when it comes to your employer as well? What questions should you ask them about your retirement plan? What questions should you ask them about your pay? And get those answers from them. You get them directly from that individual instead of having a third party do it for you, so that you can walk away knowing that you have the knowledge that is ultimately going to help you breathe and help you have those restless nights. So, no, a financial coach, a certified financial coach, is not going to be the individual that handles it all for you. When you end that coaching relationship in 3 or 6 months or whatever that time frame is, you want to walk away and be able to continue to plan for your short-term and long-term goals and have that financial success that you were seeking once you engaged in that relationship. So that's what a financial coach does. They empower you, they help you breathe, and they give you those restless nights that you have been searching and seeking for. And you have that peace of mind that you are able to handle your finances and the knowledge that's going to last you for a lifetime.